Rounding off of numbers to significant figures. Examples. Round off 7,579 to 1 SF. SF means significant figures. To one significant figure. So in this case, for this type of question, what number are we having here? This number we are having here is a number that is greater than 1. That is, when you have number that is greater or equals to 1. Because we can also deal with 1 itself. But now we're having a number that is greater than 1. So in this case, we start with the first non-zero digit from the left. And here now we don't even have 0 here. So in this case, the first number at the left is 7. Then we start counting from there. So in this case, we have 1 and 1 SF. This is just 7. So we are considering 7 now. And at the back of 7, what do we have? We have 5. So we take 1 from this 5, then add it to 7. What do we have? We have 8. So what do we have here? The remaining numbers here will turn to 0. So the answer is 8,000. Now the next problem, we have 2SF. We are still considering that same number. We have 7,579. So we count 1, 2. Don't forget from the left, you start counting. 1, 2. So in this case, we stop at 5. And at the back of 5, we have what? 7. So we take 1 from this 7, then we add it to 5. So what do we have? We have 6. So we now have 7, 6. But don't forget, these two positions, which turns to what? This one and this one. Which turns to what? Zeros. Don't forget. So this will be equals to 7,600. Please take note. Now, to 3SF, we start counting. That is 3. 1, then 2, we have 3. So we stop at this 7. Then we take 1 from what? From 9. And add it to what? To 7. So what do we have? We have 8. So we now have 7, 5, 8. But the position of this 9 will turn to 0. So this equals to 7,580. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.